Hello and welcome to another LEGO magazine video, the LEGO City magazine. Oh yes, comes with a cool tractor and a farmer. I've not actually got a farmer or a tractor in my city, so that's a good addition. It is LEGO City issue number 91. It's £4.99 and I'm looking forward to opening it up and seeing what it's like. And here it is. Here's the cool little tractor. It's quite good, isn't it? It's got a nice little build. Quite simple, but effective. I like the grille at the front and the little side pipe and the little top where you can put fuel in. Yeah, I love it. And the farmer's good as well. He's got his little brown flat hat and overalls printed. It's pretty good. And the back as well. He looks like a happy farmer. He's going to look cool in the city, actually. I might do a little farming area. That'll look quite nice. I just need a few more plants and stuff. Need to be a bit creative. Might need to build a barn as well. I have to think about that. But yeah, really liking the new little farmer. A good addition to the city. The looks great on the tractor though. It's quite a good size. I like these little builds. I'm starting to like these little builds more and more because they fit nicely in my city, and it adds a nice little hint of detail, doesn't it? I could always put a thing on the back of this, modify it a bit, and it could be towing a trailer or something. Get a little tow bar on the back, modify it, and then yeah, it could do a little bit more. But yeah, really liking the little tractor build. Loving it. Yeah, so this is from the LEGO City issue number 91. Thanks very much for watching this one, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.